a show coming up this weekend?
I do have a couple shows. Have you guys collected any Pokemon cards?
Not really. No.
I found this on the floor. I think this might be some sort of equestrian implement that's used for training how to lasso your horse.
No. I think it's a heavy-duty fishing reel so you can catch some sharks and the line won't break.
Sharks indeed, but no, I'll tell you what it really is. You know, Jake just had a baby, and you know when he's tired of holding her, you can just set this up, harness her in, let her just jump around.
I don't know if I'd be using that thing. While those are all wonderful answers, those aren't exactly right. This is the cable and cradle assembly used in the spare tire carrier system. It's the part that lets you safely lower your spare tire to the ground and raise it back into place underneath your RV. The built-in cradle supports the tire by its center hole, keeping it secure during travel and easy to access when you need it. It should only be operated by hand with the Brinkley provided crank handle, not with the power drill to prevent damage.
Well, that about wraps it up. I want to thank you all for tuning in to another episode of What Is It? Please leave your wrong answers in the comments below.
Oh, he's getting it! He's getting it! Get a shark! It might be a Sharknado!